How to convert YouTube video to MP3. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert any YouTube video to MP3. So let's get started. First, open up your YouTube, and after you open it up, tap on your name on the top right and then you will see YouTube Studio. Tap on YouTube Studio. After you tap on YouTube Studio, this should load up. For this, you will need to have your channel, and after you do it, go to content, and under content you will see all of your videos. Now under any videos you can simply download it, tap on download, and it should start downloading. Now after you download it, just open it up. Now let me open it up. Now right click on it, tap on open with, and open it with VLC media. Now after you open it up, just tap on media on the top right and you will see convert/save. Tap on it, and right here you can simply convert this. Now let's check this out first. Go to files, you can see more options. Now you can select local files, tap on add. Now select this very video that you want to download. After you do that, tap on convert/save, tap on convert, and right here you will be able to convert it. Now just choose your file type. Now here you will be able to see MP3 somewhere, so search for MP3, tap on MP3, and that is how you convert it. Now tap on this browse and select it, just select the file location and tap on start. After you do that, it will get saved into your file location, and that is how you download your YouTube video to and that is how you download any YouTube video as MP3 on your device. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.